Hi everyone, Rick here at JBNA, and today we're going to talk about NDI, what it is, how it works, and what it can do for you. To sum it up, NDI is a high-quality, low-latency audio and video transport stream for live production and more. NDI is built to be deployed in most cases on a standard, off-the-shelf, common 1 gigabit network, and I will bet just like the one you are currently connected to right now. But let's back this up just a little bit. There was a time that a lot of different cables were needed for just a single camera connection to a live production switcher. You needed to send video and camera control for shading and audio. How many channels of audio and tally and communications and. So lots of different cables. And all those specific cables had one purpose, to send a signal in one direction. So what is NDI? Let me start again. NDI, which stands for Network Device Interface, sends high-quality, low-latency audio, video, and more for live production over a standard 1 gigabit network, and it requires zero configuration. Here's how it works. This is an NDI-enabled camera. When connected to a network, it will identify itself. Also on that same network will be an NDI-enabled device that can receive that signal. You simply select that NDI camera source, and you can now view and utilize that source. This potentially makes any Ethernet port in your studio, office, or campus a potential camera location. And because it is using a network for that communication, that one cable can be used for more than just sending one signal. It can send data such as control for a PTZ camera, tally to indicate status, return audio and video, and so much more. Two important notes. Live production requires minimal latency, so there are some network requirements to follow, but for now, just remember that a 1 gig network infrastructure is required. And this is just a single camera solution. Imagine a studio in one part of the facility. With NDI, now any part of the office can become part of your live production. Does the development team want to show off a new product? Easy. Does the CEO want to make a presentation from her office? No problem. Of course, my choice would be the roof. These are just some of the possibilities of NDI. Please be sure to check out the next video to learn how to try NDI out for yourself. To learn more about NDI and other broadcast and streaming solutions, like how to make a video just like this one, contact your JBNA representative and we'll get you going on the right track. If you need me, I'll be on the roof.